Hey there! Want to unlock all the hidden features of your wireless earbuds? Today, we'll show you how to pair and customize your wireless earbuds with your phone and explore cool features. First, enable Bluetooth. Simply go to your phone's settings and tap on Bluetooth. Make sure it's turned on. Next, open the lid of your earbuds case. Wait for your earbuds to appear under available devices on your phone. Tap on them. Then select Pair. Once paired, tap on your earbuds name to access advanced settings. Here, you'll find options like noise cancellation, transparency mode, and equalizer. You can also check the battery status of both the earbuds and the charging case. Never lose track of your earbuds again. With the Find My Earbuds feature, just play a loud sound and locate them in seconds. Plus, customize touch controls for play pause, adjusting volume, and more. Triple tap your earbuds to launch voice assistant or enable game mode. And guess what? Double tap to capture a photo. How cool is that? And that's it. You are all set to enjoy your wireless earbuds. To get more updates, hit like, follow and subscribe.